Automated Object Inspection, AOI, automates the quality control of assemblies as inline or end-of-line step, and can be integrated with the package tracking to ensure the verified parts go into the OK or NOK packaging areas. AOI can detect broken parts, edges, and cracks with higher precision than a human eye, as fatigue or other human factors are not contributing to the process. At first, worker places the part in the AOI cell. Trimity will immediately indicate if the part is OK and guide the worker to the packaging area for OK parts. The cameras positioned in the packaging area will ensure the part goes in the OK parts bin. The system will automatically reset itself for repeating the inspection process. Similarly, if the part is damaged, Trimity will indicate the worker to move it in the rework bin. However, if the worker by mistake moves an OK part to the rework bin, the system informs the worker that a wrong step has been performed and gives an opportunity to the worker to correct it. Vice versa, the system also checks the same if an NOK part is kept in the OK bin and informs the worker. With this in your working area, you can rest assured that we reduce the scrap rate, eliminate recalls, and improve an overall quality of outgoing packaging.